Hello guys. Cleaning gel is ideal for interior cleaning and household. You can clean your keyboard, mouse, calculator, screen, game controller, fan frame, car outlet, bookcase corner, window track, clock, remote control and more. In this video, top new tech picks 5 best cleaning gels in 2021. Through extensive research we have put together the best cleaning gel in list and mentioned their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. Number 5, Mecha Cleaning Gel. This slime cleaner is made of environmentally safe, biodegradable materials, without any added flavors, and no peculiar smell. It is a dust buster but not sticky. It can clean all dust and debris without leaving any residue. The aluminum cap to replace the plastic on the market, and the strong rigid bottle replaces the soft style. The product has good airtightness and is more high-end, so it is not easy to evaporate and dilute. It is easy to use. Just wash your hands, take a piece of clean mud and knead it into a ball, place it on the keyboard, air outlet or other surface that needs to be cleaned, press it for 3 to 5 seconds and then slowly pull it up. The dust will be stuck by the gel. This cleaning soft gel can be reused until the color becomes darker and then replaced with a new detergent. After use, put it back into the bottle and seal it in a cool place. Number 4, Fishery Cleaning Gel. This cleaning gel very suitable for interior cleaning and household. It is simple and convenient to use and leaving no residue. It can picking up dust and dirt from your keyboard, car vent, car interiors and the areas hard to reach. So perfect use as keyboard cleaner, car cleaning gel and dust cleaning gel. You also can use it clean mouse, calculator, camera, printer, core detailing, dashboard, air conditioner and furniture and more, especially the dead corner and gap. This dust cleaning gel is made of high-quality biodegradable gel material. It is friendly to the environment, non-irritating to the skin, non-sticky and smells with light fragrance. Just keep the palm dry before use. Take a piece of the keyboard cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard, car vent and other rugged surface, roll or press slightly for about 3 to 5 seconds and then pull up slowly. The dust would be carried away with the gel. This keyboard cleaning putty could be used again and again till the color turned to dark. Then you have to replace the gel with a new one. Please put the gel into the box after use and store it in a cool dry place. Number 3, Totos Cleaning Gel. This simple and convenient cleaning gel is for PC, laptop, keyboard, car dashboard and other rugged surface, such as the car vents, camera, printer, telephone, calculator, speaker, air conditioner, TV and other home office appliances. This cleaning gel is softer and easier to clean the smallest gaps. It can reach spots and gaps, penetrate into every corner to clean your devices thoroughly. Just push the car detailing cleaning gel into any little crack and pull back to take away any dust. This cleaning gel made of eco-friendly safe biodegradable materials, and recyclable material that is not harmful to the environment, not sticky to hands, smells sweet with lemon fragrance, feels good to touch, no stimulation to skin. It can be used smoothly without sticking to any things after hand. This keyboard cleaning gel could be used again and again till the color turned to dark. Then you have to replace the gel with a new one. Please put the compound gel into the box after use and store it in a cool dry place. When you use this cleaning gel, just need to remove the foil, take it out and press the cleaning gel for about 3 to 5 seconds into the keyboard, car vent and other rugged, then roll slightly and pull it up slowly. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. Second last, Mecha Cleaning Gel. This cleaning gel is ideal for auto interior cleaning and household. You can clean your keyboard, mouse, calculator, screen, game controller, fan frame, car outlet, bookcase corner, window track, clock, remote control, and more. Take a piece of the keyboard cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, place the cleaning gel on the surface of the keyboard, computer, etc., roll or press slightly for about 3 to 5 seconds and then pull up slowly. The dust would be carried away with the gel. This dust cleaner gel made of eco-friendly safe biodegradable materials, a recyclable material that is not harmful to the environment, not sticky to hands, feels good to touch, no stimulation to the skin, it can be used smoothly without sticking to any things after hand. This detailing cleaning gel could be used again and again till the color turned to dark, then need to replace a new one. Please put the gel into the box after use and store it in a cool dry place, and the first one is Color Coral Cleaning Gel. Color Coral Cleaning Gel is the simple and convenient cleaning kits for PC, laptop keyboard and other rugged surface, such as the car vent, camera, printer, telephone, calculator, instrument, speaker, air conditioner, TV and other appliances. Color Coral Keyboard Cleaning Gel was originally designed for keyboard cleaning. Help to remove the dust, dirt, debris between the keys. This universal dust cleaner is made of biodegradable gel, no sticky to hands, smells sweet with lemon fragrance and no stimulation to skin. Make sure your hands are dry and clean. Take a piece of the cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard, car vent and rugged surface and then pull out. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. This keyboard cleaning gel could be used repeatedly till the color turned to dark or it becomes sticky, then you have to replace the gel with a new one. After cleaning, please stock the cleaning gel in cool place. These 5 are the best cleaning gel, you can choose any one for your use. For more information about all these cleaning gels, visit to the links in the description box. Please like the video, share your ideas about channel in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, goodbye.